Hello. Today we are going to be learning how to insert speaker's notes into PowerPoint. I initially believed that speaker's notes was maybe an audio format, but it is really quite literally embedding notes into the PowerPoint presentation. The first thing we want to do is go to PowerPoint. And what we can do is go all the way up here to the top next to where it says University of Maryland Global Campus. You have the home symbol. Click on home and it will take us back to the original login screen where we find our class. Go to resources, click on resources, come down to Email and Office 365 apps. Click on that. You can then go in and access Office 365 apps. Now, as this loads, you will notice the apps are all in alphabetical order, so PowerPoint's easy to find. It's right here. Or I could come over here to this side. So I'll click on PowerPoint and make a blank presentation or new blank presentation. Okay, now the first thing we get is a title slide. One thing I would do, we've already determined we're going to probably need at least 6 or 7 slides. Just go through and add a bunch of slides. Then what I would do is over here there are a bunch of designs. Generally speaking, that would be the last thing I would worry about. I would put that in last. But let's just say for our title slide, instead of distractions, this I will say writing a schedule. Come down to the next one, PACE 111B, and I'll say Team 5 since we don't have a Team 5. Now, to insert notes, you come down here to the bottom beneath where we have the design, and it says Notes. And if I click on the word Notes, it expands this section down here where I can type in notes. For example, this is just an introduction, so I would maybe write introduction. Let's say I'm going to the next slide and writing a schedule. Planning your week. And let's say I then decide that we want to have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Now, down in my notes, I could then write something more detailed. For example, the first thing you want to do when creating a schedule is to access a calendar. You then proceed to enter required items first. So basically, all I am really doing is in the PowerPoint itself, I'm just putting in general ideas, bullet points. In the speaker's notes, I'm actually using sentences and paragraphs and writing more extensively on what your subject would be. Now, to use bullet points, you need to be under File. Whoa, not File. I'm sorry. Home. I'm sorry, Home. And then the bullet points you would just highlight, and your bullet points are right here. But that's basically how we go about creating, inserting speaker's notes into PowerPoint. Okay, thank you.